Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today we're making slow cooker lemon chicken and carrots. For this recipe, you'll need flour, salt and pepper, chicken thighs, butter, an onion, baby carrots, garlic, dried oregano, lemon juice, brown sugar, chicken broth, cornstarch, and water. You'll also need a 3 or 4 quart crock pot. First, wash and chop the onion and cut the chicken into 1-inch pieces. In a shallow dish, coat the chicken in a mixture of flour, salt, and pepper. Then brown the chicken in a skillet with butter. Plug in the crock pot and add the carrots, onions, and garlic. Then add the chicken on top of this mixture. Going back to the skillet, add the oregano, lemon juice, brown sugar, and chicken broth, bringing it to a boil and then pouring it over the chicken in the crock pot. Cover the crock pot and cook on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. When it's finished cooking, mix the cornstarch and water in a small bowl, stir into the crock pot, and cook on high for another 20 to 30 minutes. This dish can be prepared and ready to eat after a busy day, served over brown rice to add whole grains and create a balanced meal.